We prepared the hair with Satinwear 02 to provide heat protection and Movability 05 to add texture to the hair. So what Hannah is doing here is wash drying the hair to achieve a messy look. After you get the hair dry, you will want to protect the hair with Iron Shape 11. The tool Hannah will be using to get this tousled look is her Sambia flat iron. As you see here, Hannah is twisting the iron in a downward motion, then following it with her fingers. This sets the curl. By alternating the curl's direction, it will help add movement and texture to your look. To finish it off, spray the tousled curl with Redken's Fashion Wave 07 Salt Spray, and there you have Double Image's Messy Beach Wave.